I would like to give some helpful hints on improving the tone production and projection. We all want better tone in the low register, the high register, and the cash register. I mean that good tone must be established in the middle register where we do most of our playing before going to the extremes. The simple formula refers to the jaw position in the different registers. The lower jaw moves in the direction of the notes. The back of the jaw functions just like the hinge on a door. Remembering our embouchure set, the jaw helps in interval skips. From our cash or middle established register, we slur down to the low register with this syllable, T-ah. Conversely, the lower jaw moves in an upward direction from low or middle to the high register, ta-ee, with that syllable. Now I'm going to try buzzing a mouthpiece alone first in these two exercises. And exercise number 2. Now I'll use the horn in these two exercises. Now we'll do the second exercise. I'm playing a good basic warm-up on long tones and lip slurs for better tone development and endurance. Now let's try to get that sound to project out away from your chair to the last row of the auditorium. I do not mean just blasting away louder than everyone else. A tone can be projected at either a soft level, piano, or at the loud level, forte. I like a singing style or vocal style of projecting the tone. 3 factors are involved. Number 1, a gentle squeezing of the stomach muscles is needed. Number 2, the mask, the sinus nasal cavities around the front of the face should be thought of as open as possible. And number 3, a raised palate. The back of the throat is very open, as when the doctor says, say ah, when checking the patient's sore throat. I would like to play the solo from Holst's second suite for military band, the first movement, March. Perhaps you know this. First, I will play with an okay sound, but not a projected sound. Now, I would like to play the excerpt using a projected sound. And finally, I'll legato tongue the notes for a clearer version that is advocated by Frederick Fennell. This improves the response of each note in the phrase. Notice the sound traveled further, but was not that much louder. I am trying to create a sound with more resonance. The equation is gently squeezing with the open mask and the open throat equals resonance and projection. Telltale signs that you are projecting the sound are, number one, tone is picked up by sympathetic vibrations and cause other items to vibrate, like piano strings, drum snares, or loose light fixtures. And finally, number two, your nose will start to itch if you have the maximum amount of resonance going for you.